No, I know. We've been.
No, but he won't. He puts it in a towel and he runs back out. Don't mind me.
Sister, where's the video camera in here?
Ready?
Hold on. I want to get Mikey really fast.
Ready?
Wait, I want to get him too. Hold on.
Are you done?
Oh, right here, Mom. See that little switch right there?
Yeah.
Switch it over. Switch it down. You have to switch it down.
Switch it down?
Yeah. So where it shows on the video camera. Just go and she can get it again when she figures it out. Woohoo!
Let's go get a towel.
Do it one more time so I can get it.
Hi, Mom. Hold on.
Wait. Do it one more time.